Hola a todos, in this video I'm gonna show you how D12 works for this course. Here in the right side you will see my picture and you will find my email, my Skype account. If you need me for meetings, tutoring sections or interviews, and here in questions you will find different ways to communicate with me, so take a look here. In news so far, there is a new welcome message that I have posted, and also a video where I introduce myself. You will see also upcoming events here, so just take a look. If we go to materials, content, I am gonna give you a first like a tour of our first orientation week. So first you will find the syllabus, so you will be able to download the document, and read the syllabus in order to complete a quiz that you will have about the syllabus. If you go here, start here, this is actually this video that we are watching now, that is the D12 tour, and then you will find the syllabus quiz. Please read the instructions and the requirements to complete this syllabus, and you will also find the first task that you have to complete. So it will be that discussion forum that is called Algo sobre mí. You're gonna talk about yourself. You will have to answer some questions related to your age, hobbies, yeah, so it will be graded. So it will be your first task, and here I provide the due date for this activity, so please read carefully in order to complete it. Okay, so here you will also find helpful documents that is about my Spanish lab. So you're gonna find 2 videos that will explain how to register for my Spanish lab. For that you will need your email, the course code. You will find the code on your syllabus, and you will have to use the code, the access code, which comes with your book. And this is other video that allow you to see how my Spanish looks when you are inside. If you have questions, please let me know. If you have questions, you will go to communication and discussions, and you will find a forum called Preguntas. Yeah, so if you click here in Preguntas, it's gonna be always open, and so if you need help, please use it. And you will also find your first discussion that is called Algo sobre mí. Okay, so now if we go to the student view, yeah, and we go to materials, content, you will find all I have explained, but you will see here also something that is called review activities. So you will find all the activities that you have to complete for this week, and as you can see here, will be review activities of different topics. Suppose you have been, or you have learned before, so it will be just like a review about these topics. So if you click here in week 1 Guía Didáctica, you're going to find like the schedule for this week, what are the goals, and you will find a schedule that I have created for you, and it will be helpful to organize your time and work in this class every day. So it will be so helpful you to be on time. Okay, this is like the schedule that I propose you in order to complete the activities of this first week. Okay, so you will be working with My Spanish Lab. So it will be always the same way. You will find a guía didáctica with the schedule that I have organized for you, and then the activities that you have to complete for every single week. So if you click here, you will start to see the topics we are going to talk about this week. So you have to click here and you will start to watch the videos and complete some activities. This is an extra activity. This is not graded, but it is good that you complete in order to complete your quiz that you will have at the end of this week. So you will also have here some tutorial videos that you will find on My Spanish Lab, and some activities. Because this is the first week, you will have until Sunday, September 2nd to complete these activities, because I know that you will have some issues with your book. But once you get the book, all the students get the book, it will be daily. You will have to complete activities daily. Okay, so here you will see all the activities you have to complete. You can click here and you just have to complete activities. I say here which activities you have to complete. If we go to My Spanish Lab, yeah, and we go to, I am going to see as a student, so go to student view. So you will be able to see in your calendar at the day 2, this one with 2 like different activities, and you will also see here assignments that you have to complete. So when you click in assignments, you will see this. You will see the clock. It means that you have activities for that will be like the due date will be this date. So you will start to complete. So for example, you say open, and you will start to complete the activity in My Spanish Lab. Yeah. So here you have to say here Victoria describe how her friends feel by completing these sentences with the correct form of estar. So los niños estamos aburridos. Yeah. And just you complete the activity, you just submit. For grading, you have different attempts to complete like the activity. So it is a way to practice. Okay. So here I explain the activities that you have to complete. So it will be the topics that you are going to be working on during this first week. So here you will have presente y adjetivos. So again, it looks like too many activities, but in reality these tutorials videos are really short, like 1 minute, 2 minutes videos. It will be just a review. You will have to complete some activities. All of the activities that I post here, they are from My Spanish Lab. Once you have completed all the activities, you will have to complete a quiz de repaso. So it will be a quiz, it will be 25 activities, so 25 points related to these topics. Yeah, it will be graded, but it won't be like I am going to grade you and know if you are ready or not. It is just how I can help you. What do you need to maybe review or study in order to be successful in this course? You will have to complete, or you will have to record a video. It will be like 1 minute video. I provide you the instructions for this video here, and you will also can use the checklist like it is a way to help you to keep track of the assignments you need to complete this week. So it's a way that you know if you have completed all the activities that you have to complete for this week. So it is more about what do you have to do during this first week. So please let me know if you need help, if there is something that you don't understand. You know that you can communicate with me using the discussion forum preguntas. You can also use or send me an email or try to communicate by Skype. But I would like to start using this discussion forum because you know many of the questions that you have, maybe another students have the same one, so it is a way to provide information for everybody. So I hope that you enjoyed this first week, and please let me know if you need something. Hasta pronto. Adiós.